show you guys how to make a really, I'll show you guys how to make a thumbnail a very easy way. So you want to click plus so you can, there's photos, videos, templates, cameras, drawings, and these tools. So then you want to take photos and then choose a background. Oh wait, no, free images. So pretend we're doing an Adopt Me thumbnail right now. So we can do Adopt Me background, and then you can choose this one. I usually choose this. And then you want to go to stickers. Adopt Me. This one with like a username, of course a fake one. Just adjust it to wherever you want and apply. And there's a lot of different tools you can make. And then go to stickers again, and then do Adopt Me hits. Just like choose random pets, because this is of course. I'm gonna choose like a Megafly Scavarax. Neon Arctic Fox. A Megafly Queen Bee. Oh my god, where did it go? Yeah, okay, never mind. We will ignore that. I do not know what happened. Okay, I'll choose a hedgehog. And a neon giraffe. Okay, it's done badly right now, but because I'm in a rush. Okay, let me put Adopt Me. Adopt Me sandwich. There. Apply. Okay, Adopt Me and I'll put two random people. This one. Apply, and then I'm gonna go to effects. There's a lot of different effects you can try. I really like this one, so do this. And you can also like do texts, which is super cool, like adopt, like my best Adopt Me traits ever. You can move if you want left, right, or middle. Do middle first. And I will do this font. It's super cute. Oh, we can't do this one. We will do this one. We can't. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do this. Okay. So what are brushes? I didn't really discover them. Oh, so you can like. Oh, that's so cute. Let me see. Oh, that is cute, but I do not want that. Okay. So yeah. Now you gotta press next. And then press more if you want, and you can save image or copy image. So yeah.